In 2019, a new strange comet was discovered. It was discovered by the amateur astronomer Borisov in Russian Crimean. He was using his own 65 centimeter telescope. The comet had a strange shape and mysterious behavior. First of all, its orbit showed that it is not from within the solar system. The orbit actually was showing that it is an interstellar object. The study of the light curve of the comet proved that it has a very long shape. That means it's an elongated comet, the nucleus of it, of course. As it was getting closer to the Sun, observations of it was increased. But in March, we noticed that the comet is shedding some material. Some pieces are separating from it. At this time, of course, the comet is moving away from the Sun. So the nucleus of the comet should not be really active. Parts which are separating are shown in yellow color in this image, as if it is shooting objects out of its nucleus. One theory is that the comet is made of very similar components close together. But the question remains why it is now that it is away from the Sun, these parts are active. At the distance that it is now from the Sun, it should be really again frozen. Of course, we know the comets are made of ice and rocks. Another theory is that the comet is not actually one solid object. It maybe is made of hundreds of the smaller objects. But the question remains, now that it's far away from the Sun, why it is ejecting parts? Why it is disintegrating as if? The parts that is losing actually are not very big. Then the question again remains, why at this distance from the Sun the comet is active? It should not be active. Or this is not a comet at all. Some have speculated that it can be a spaceship, interstellar one. And I will say probably, if it is true, then it's sending spaceships back. Is it a joke or is it serious? All of this reminds me of the book by the author Clarke, which was about an interstellar spaceship approaching our solar system. And inside it was a lot of surprises. I think this stretched to 5 books. And that is a lot of food for thought. Keep safe.